listen this, that I want to grow, you want to grow, and most of us wants to grow. And there is no issue in wanting to grow, but the issue is that we sometimes want growth so fast that it becomes overwhelming to us only. Most of us wants results quickly, but no one talks about this truth that real growth is actually very slow. Real healing is actually very gentle. It's not coming in a snap. And most importantly, that real progress happens at your own pace. You can't compare your pace with anyone else. Today, I'm not going to give you some motivation to run faster. I'm going to just remind you that you don't need to run at all. You just need to keep moving. Comparison is a thief of joy. We destroy our progress the moment we start comparing it. We compare our one step, two step with the people who have started so early, and now we are starting today itself and we are comparing our progress with them. Like you go to the gym, or I should say we go to the gym and we see someone lifting 30 kgs. We start reading and someone else is reading like 30 pages a day, and suddenly our one page or our 2.5 kgs feels small. But believe me, it's not small at all. It's yours, and your growth is always more powerful than growth that is copied. You don't need someone else's pace, you need the consistency in your own. Little by little, a little becomes a lot. If you want to become a reader, don't start with 20 pages a day. Start with one page. Yes, just one page. Because one page daily is better than 20 pages for 2 days and then quitting forever. Most of them, or most of us, do like that. Same with the gym. Start with 2.5 kg. Let your body adapt. Then grow to 5, then 10, then 20. Because strength is not built in one day, it is built in repetition. Small steps don't look impressive, I know that, but they take the farthest. That is true. It does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. Most people don't fail because they are weak. They fail because they start too fast. They go all in, and then suddenly what happens? It becomes overwhelming. It becomes heavy, and they quit. Think about it like this. You don't need to be like a gunpowder that burns for a second and disappears. You need to be a candle that burns slowly and lights everything around it. Because slow growth does not exhaust you, it builds you. Success is the sum of small efforts repeated daily. If your goal is 100, don't chase 100 on day 1. Start with 0 to 1, then 1 to 2, then 2 to 5, and slowly you will reach. You will see that you are reaching 100. But if you stand at 0 and keep thinking about 100, and most likely you will quit before even starting. So don't chase perfection, chase progress. Even if it is small, even if it feels slow, because that is how real growth actually happens. So if you feel like you are not moving fast enough, take a breath. You are not late, you are not behind, you are just on your own path. Start small, stay consistent, be gentle with yourself, and remember one thing: you don't need to burn out to shine.